All right, folks, good morning. Happy Saturday. This is Amtrak 724 going to Sacramento. This train is going fast through 100 and 5th Avenue. Well, he slows down a little bit. All right, here comes the set. 8303, Mount Diablo. That's 44 Steamer Charger. Oh! 2104. Freaking 2104. Ah! Well, anyway, that train is going to Sacramento. Why the 2104 have to rule this Saturday morning? So I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. All right, folks, good morning again. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak 727 going to San Jose Diridon Station. Here it comes. SC 44 Steamer Charger leading this one off. 2108 leads off. Give it up for 2108. Alongside with my stalker, 8310. Now Hamilton. Alright then, folks, the train is going to San Jose Diridon Station. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good Saturday morning. Stay cool, stay hydrated for this heat. Bye.